Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're gonna have an adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Jurassic World, the ride. Is today the day that this ride soft opens? Is today the day that we get first row or we don't go? If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at the Cali Bay. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. We're doing it. We're doing it. You ready, dog?
Let's go.
Let's go. Fire it up.
Fire it up.
All right. Let's do it. We just gotta get to the front, dog. Dude, I'm too nervous, man.
I'm nervous. I was on it yesterday.
Let's go. Let's go. Fire it up. Yeah. Woo. Oh. Today we don't believe anything.
Don't believe anything.
Yeah, we're staying here.
Right here.
We're staying right here.
Right here and not moving anywhere.
Come on, let's go. We've made it right here. Missed it all yesterday, but oh well. What can we do? What can we do? Gosh, this is such a crazy moment, guys. I'm excited. There's not a big crowd just yet. When we were running all the way down the escalators, like we were just like, I know you're not supposed to run, but like this is too big not to. And I had to slow down because like all the escalators started looking the same and it was like, oh my gosh, safety first. So I just slowed down, took my time. The current situation out here. Closer and closer. We got Jimmy Buffett. Heck yeah. Oh man. Almost here. Almost the time. We're almost there. We're almost there. The main thing today too is I don't even know if they're considering this as like open. They're probably still considering everything a technical rehearsal. What it looks like they might do today is once it gets in capacity in the queue, they're gonna just shut it off and just start closing the gate off right here and not let anybody in until probably all that cycles through. And they're probably gonna, I don't know if they're gonna allow people to wait like during that time period where they're gonna allow people to be in the queue and get on the ride. But that's one thing I think they're gonna be implementing, which is the capacity rule. Once this hits capacity inside the ride, they're gonna just shut it off, which is kind of a good thing because it's gonna be 5 hour, 10 hour, who knows how long of a wait out here. And it's still in technical rehearsal and testing phases. They're considering it. There's no grand opening date or nothing like that has been announced, but just stay tuned on Universal's Twitter, Instagram, YouTube channel if they finally drop that commercial of the grand opening. Hopefully it's in July. I don't know yet. Hopefully it happens today, to be honest. All right, I can't zoom in, but they are on the phones now trying to get this ride open. It's the Poncho Man. Could he let us come through? Please, please. So they have since cut off the line also, and they're not letting anybody get on. Waiting. Here we get the okay to get on the ride. We just need that confirmation that it's finally gonna open. Man, I don't even know what to say anymore. What do you think, Noah?
I don't know.
It's finally coming to an end. We get on.
And there's people on it right now.
All the ups and downs, dude. It's been a crazy ride. It's been a lot of fun though.
It has.
It's been sad. It's been like exciting.
It's been more sad than exciting, but
Yesterday especially, we both went home, dude.
It was so bad.
How did it happen for you? Like, you went home, or what happened?
So I was gonna go to Knot.
Because we left at 6.
Like, I'm gonna get a meal plan over there. Maybe I'll hang out for a little bit. My mom was already over there. And I pulled up, and it was like crowded. I was like, I'm not going, I'll just go to Disneyland instead. So I pulled up at Disneyland. Right when I got in the parking structure, I got a text from either you or Danny.
Yeah.
And said they soft opened it. And then you just were like, I'm going back. I was like,
and I didn't
into the structure.
I did not even feel good, dude. I just, and then I got denied again.
Dude, it was the worst. That was the worst.
Hopefully today, bro. Hopefully today. Fired up. They are finally moving all the barricades that have lined up on the right side of the ride. You couldn't have asked for a better sign for future opening of this ride. We finally made it. Finally made it.
Wait right there.
Oh, snap. Damn. Woo!
There we go.
Let's go. Yes. Damn. Yep. Damn. Yes.
Hell yeah.
Noah, high five, bro. Yeah.
Wait right here, okay? Awesome. Do you have any express guests? Any guests with an express?
I do. Oh man. So what they're allowing is they're setting up for express, and then they're having the regular queue.
All right, my express guests, you're gonna follow me, y'all?
Oh man. Oh, this is so exciting. Hey, gosh. Oh, snap. Damn.
Four-way only? Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna follow
Yeah.
Julia?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How about you?
Can you hold
Hi.
on real quick, Noah?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Not bad. Oh, it's okay.
My hand's shaking.
All right. So you're gonna go all the way through and stop at that doorway, okay?
Okay. Thanks, Noah. Wow, we did it! Oh, snap.
We're doing it! We're using express too. Wanda, we're the
First row, we don't go. Yeah! Dude, I had no idea. Whoa.
Here at the park, you'll have an opportunity.
All right, they said stop at the doorway.
Listen to them about
Yeah.
getting out of line.
Dude, I had no idea they were gonna do the express thing. Came out of nowhere.
Dude, for real.
Yeah. Oh, snap. Yeah! First row, we don't go. Ah, shaking. First row. Yeah, we fired up. Fired.
Damn.
Woo! Oh my, dude. Thank you. Hey. Oh man. I'm too excited. Holy smokes. Thank you. We appreciate all your guys' work. Man. Two.
Row 1.
Yeah! Yes! Woo! Row 1. I made it. Yeah. Oh. This is cute. We're good? All right. Thank you. Wow! We made it! 5 fires. Oh my gosh, look at the Jurassic World side. Holy smokes. Dude, thank you for everything.
Of course. We're as excited as you guys are.
Yeah.
All right,
Oh my gosh. I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Have a good three, guys.
Tour boat, you are cleared from the visitor center. Have a nice ride.
In a few seconds, we will be entering Herbivore Valley, where flight-eating dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family. Some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
Containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please, a security team is deployed. They will get you safe.
Yeah! What'd you guys think? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
That was great! Damn!
Yes!
Oh man!
Oh my gosh!
Dude, Mondo!
Oh my god! Woo!
Even!
Yes!
Oh my god!
Yes! Oh my gosh! Dude, that, wow, yes, incredible, incredible, yes, Wow! Oh my gosh! Dude! Dude! Oh my god! And go ahead. What an incredible journey this whole process has been. I just got off the ride and I was yelling of joy. I'm losing my voice, but it was just pure happiness as my whole story and this whole journey of Jurassic World the ride started right here. I almost feel like tearing up right now. But I remember when none of this existed at all. Nothing. And to just see it like be done now. It's crazy. It's like honestly crazy. I'm so glad like I got to like bring 5 fires with me, because like it just means a lot to me. Trying not to cry. I love Jurassic World. Right. Oh man. Alright, enough crying. I'm gonna tell you guys what happened to me. It's actually like a very sad story to like a very happy story. But we're gonna go on the lower lot and talk about it. And I'll give you guys my experience of the ride as well. Let's do this.
What an amazing day.
Just got off the ride. Honestly, the Mosasaurus part is incredible. You get soaked no matter what.
Hey,
We're
Like,
still getting more wet.
there's no way you don't get soaked, right?
You guys want some
And then after that, it's still the same ride, like right after the Mosasaurus part, and then it goes into the Indominus Rex scene, which there's just a bunch of carnage, and we actually got to look on the left side. There's a dead dinosaur there with a bunch of blood everywhere. The Indominus Rex he escaped. Like the whole cage that was holding him, the confines are destroyed. And then after that, you go up, and there's Chris Pratt, or Owen. Owen. He's telling us that
Star-Lord.
Star-Lord tells us that be aware. And then there's a scene at the end where it's very dark, but Blue's there, the Indominus Rex is intimidating the T-Rex, and then the whole roars happen. Incredible. I love this ride. I give this ride 5 fires. Incredible. 5 fires. Let me tell you guys about the adventure that happened. I was actually here and they did the soft opening, where it was a confirmed soft opening, which was July 4th. I waited from I think 8:30 or 9 all the way to 6 p.m. I went home because the ride broke down and they kept only letting VIP employees ride the ride. There was no telltale sign that it was actually going to be open to normal guests. And I went home, I was eating dinner, and I got a message that said the ride's open, and somebody sent me the story of JP Land, and JP was going nuts out here, just yelling, just and he actually got on the ride. I didn't even finish watching his Instagram story. I just grabbed my stuff and booked it over here to Universal Studios again, and it's not a close drive for me, so I went out of my way to come back super disappointed and devastated. Like, I waited like almost 10 or more hours out here, and after that, I got back around 8:15 and they let people line up and never opened. I was so sad. I was so close. I like put so much effort into all these updates and all the soft openings and all the attempts. I feel like I've been out here 10 times that there was gonna be a soft opening and it never happened. It was so sad. Sorry I'm losing my voice. It's been an epic day. And I went home 2 times, not opening. Even though it opened, that was the worst part. But I got to at least enjoy the ride to JP Land and a couple other people that posted the video. So I was at least part of that. I got to see it. I woke up, I said, there's no way I miss out on today. There's no way. So I realized that they were gonna open at 8 a.m. I got here at 7:30. I got to the front entrance. They let people go into Simpsons Land and I waited. And at 9 o'clock or about 8:55, they let people come down the escalators into the lower lot. And I ran with this guy who was dressed as Jimmy Buffett. He was literally dressed as Jimmy Buffett with 2 margaritas on his hands running. It was great. He had the orange shirt with the hat. I got on, the worker was like, dude, we're about to get on. And I was like, what? So when we walked into the entrance, they had all the corporate, all the media, or like Universal Media, and they were like, dude, first row, or they did first row, first boat of the day. And it was just an incredible moment, like all the emotions. My hand was shaking when I was first recording. I just couldn't believe that, like everything came full circle of all the updates, all the hard work I put into this. It just means the world. Like, I appreciate everybody's support throughout this whole experience. I can't wait to bring more since we have so much more content to come. I don't want to say like I'm just a Jurassic World channel. This Five Fires is more than that. It's all Universal, all of Disneyland, and all of Knott's Berry Farm. But I want to give a big thank you to everybody that followed me through this journey, as this is probably going to be one of our last updates until opening ceremony, which there possibly might be more changes to come into the ride. We will stay tuned and find out. Maybe we get one more update video. One thing I do want to mention is this ride is super scary. If you do bring a kid, just be aware that like you might get scared. The Mosasaurus part, all the T-Rex, the Indominus Rex, it is scary, but a ton of fun, and I definitely recommend to all age groups, as dinosaurs are the best thing in the world. But I just want to thank everybody for watching. I appreciate all the support. We are firing it down. I'm the main host, Mondo. Ah!